Have you ever wondered why so many chemical and pharmaceutical submissions get rejected on the very first try? Here's a stat that might shock you. Nearly 60% of first-time submissions to agencies like the EPA, FDA, and ECHA fail. Not because the products aren't safe, but because of simple, avoidable missteps. Things like incomplete data, unclear scientific narratives, or just not reading the regulatory room. Now here's the real kicker. These rejections don't just cost time. They can stall your innovation, drain budgets, and hand your competitors a massive head start. But what if you could crack the code on regulatory success? That's exactly what OnlyTRAININGS' new expert-led online training delivers. This is your shortcut to understanding why submissions fail, and how to turn your next one into a winner. Expert will show you how to pick the right regulatory pathway, speak the language of reviewers, and build dossiers that get green lights instead of red stamps. In this expert-led online training, you'll learn the inside secrets to outsmarting agencies by aligning your strategy with what reviewers truly want, building submissions with clarity, structure, and scientific punch, turning rejection letters into rapid recoveries, using proven playbooks from top industry insiders, accelerating approvals by mastering pre-submission tactics and agency-specific hacks. Whether you're an R&D chemist, a regulatory affairs pro, or a quality manager tired of costly delays and repeat rejections, this training is your regulatory rescue plan. Don't let your next submission be another statistic. Join me, and let's build the skills, strategies, and confidence you need to beat the odds, get approved faster, and put your company ahead of the pack. Ready to transform your regulatory game? Learn more, register, and secure your spot today. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy, featuring thousands of courses across 100+ domains. Want to explore more? Visit academy.onlytrainings.com today.